is Except for Access. I am Tom, otherwise known as the Big Daddy, and this is me not having the greatest start to the day. A day which I was kind of hoping I'd have been gone and already down this road, and if I'm completely honest, about 30 minutes away. So despite arriving at this quarry at 20 past 5 this morning, and bearing in mind it's now 20 to 7, and I'm only just leaving it. But the quarry only opened at 6 o'clock, and I thought, well, I'll get there well in time. I'll be first in the queue, I'll be first out, I can get to the site, I can get tipped off, because I've got quite a big day ahead and I wanted to get ahead of myself. So salt is a very dense product, and it only takes like 3 scoopfuls from the big shovelly thing to put it in the back. You're looking at like 10 tons a piece. So a lot's going in there in a very short amount of time. Jesus wept. So I guess I'm washing the truck when I get back in. Now, one of the runners that helps pull the sheet over, either when the product's gone in, it's caught the straps and pushed it down and it snapped it, or when I've tried to bring the sheet back over because it's so buried, I think it might have, well, either way, it's snapped. And that's going to cause issues today. And I do have quite a big day ahead, so I'm going to have to try and work out what I can do with it. I can work around it. It's manageable. It's not great, but it is manageable. I told my planner Danny that it's broken. He's going to get someone to weld it tonight. I'm just going to have to grin and bear it. I can't stop. I can't return to the yard. Not for something as small as this. In a day, it's not really affecting the operations of the truck. It's not a safety issue. It's just irritating, and irritating is not an acceptable reason to return to yard. I don't think it is anyways. Well, my work's just been updated by the looks of things. I don't think that's a big issue. I think it's all still very workable. Also, I have no idea where I'm supposed to be. I'm stopping here as if like I'm waiting correctly in the correct area. No idea. I have no idea. I'm just assuming that I wait here. So I'm picking up some fancy... Oh, is this for me? Should I come to you? I'm assuming that's me wanting. Now then!
Now it's 10 you have to.
It is I.
You've got wires on here, mate.
No, it's not very good.
These don't work at all.
Oh, they don't work at all. Oh well. Yeah, just go steady away. Yeah. Just my wires are. I know what the last weight was, but it needs calibrating. Yeah. So it's the weight's incorrect, if that makes sense. But yeah, all good. Right, all good. I mean, I don't actually know where I'm supposed to be though, so I'm assuming you're going to... Where do you want me? Right. Do you want to spin round? You sure? Okay. Oh wow, we're just literally going to do it here. That's fine. So I washed out the body this morning, and I've swept out because this is going to one of the coolest places I've ever delivered to. When I say one of, I mean this is the coolest place I think I've ever delivered to. I'm genuinely excited. So if I haven't titled it Liverpool Football Club or Anfield or something like that, that's where I'm going. I'm going to Anfield. I'm going to Liverpool Football Club, which is wild. Now don't get me wrong, I have no interest in football at all. Like zero interest in football. But when I was a kid, my stepdad took me to a football match. We were with Cubs, and I still remember it to this day. It was, I think Liverpool were playing West Ham, and we went to Anfield, and yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cool. Yeah, it's really cool. Problem is, if that bloody cable's buried, I'm gonna have the same issues that I did this morning at the salt place. Right, let's bring up the body. Yeah. So we're checking the weight down here. Now this truck can take 20 and 29, but the weigh is out, or this is out. So what we're actually looking for on here is 3,500. Well, it's 29.4, I think it can take. Little bits now, just little bits. Very, very close. Cool, thank you very much. And I'm hoping that should be near enough bang on. Right, let's get weighed out. God, I hope I'm within weight, because if I'm not, that's going to cause more issues. Okay, so we're in Liverpool now, and all of the trucks have got into lane 2, and I don't exactly know why. It's like they know something that I don't. So I'm now in lane 2, based off a pure guess that there's a good reason for me to be in this lane. Oh, I might actually see the reason why people are parking in lane 1. That would explain it. This bus is going to need to come over, isn't he? Now, a bit of behind the scenes. I don't normally talk about where I'm delivering to. It's just to kind of keep customers' information private, stuff like that. But this is Anfield. This is Liverpool Football Club. So there's not really I can't hide anything with this here. It is where it is. It's Liverpool Football Club. Yeah. So I had an update to where I'm going, and I was told I'm going to the Kenny Dalglish? The Kenny Dalglish stand. If I'm honest, I have no idea who that is. I have no idea. So I asked Jammer, because I hadn't a clue. I genuinely hadn't a clue. The theory was, if he's like really famous, then he's going to have like a big stand on like one of the bigger sides. Whereas if he's not as famous, he'll have one of the smaller sides. See, I'm thinking. Turns out he's like dead famous, and I feel like I'm going to get a lot of hatred from Liverpool supporters in the comments. And Newcastle, maybe? I think he said that he did something for Newcastle. I don't know. Anyways, he's a Sir now, so Sir Kenny Dalglish. Dalglish?
Come on, mate. Dalglish. You must know Kenny Dalglish, the Scottish footballer. Managed Newcastle. Managed Liverpool. He's got a stand named after him in Anfield. Come on. Dalglish!
0.7 miles. I'm going to be turning right. So we'll just leave it a little bit longer, and we'll get into that right-hand lane. Now what I'm doing is I'm dual sat-naving at the moment, which is a tactic that I use when I don't know where I'm going, which, frankly, I haven't a clue where I'm going. I'm going to get into that right-hand lane now. I find that the TomTom is great at finding its way around all the weight restrictions. Obviously, it's a truck sat-nav, but Google tends to be more accurate. So I find if I run both of them, I can use my own judgment, take the information I've got and kind of go from there. Usually. Right, they're both saying turn right here. Okay. Now the only thing that's concerning me a little bit is I have not seen a single sign to Liverpool FC. Now either I've missed them, or do Scousers have, like, when they're born, do they just instinctively know where Liverpool FC is? I don't know. I can imagine that being something that happens. Like a baby from Liverpool must know where Liverpool FC is. I can't imagine they wouldn't. Oh, there it is! Holy crap, it's big!
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
Sir, can you Dalglish stamps? Why are people sat waiting? What the f is going on? There is crowds of people. I don't know what's going on. Looks like we're not going onto the pitch, which is a bit gutting. Is it that one? There are people everywhere. So I must be... Why are the people waiting outside? That does not sound great on the tyres.
How are we doing?
Why are the crowds of people outside?
They're all here to see you. No,
That is a first.
It's a vaccination centre as well.
Right, okay, that makes a lot more sense than what I was thinking. Why are you looking? Why do I? Right, that makes a lot more sense than what I thought. And we're done. Wow, it was a long day today. Well, okay, it was a long day for us. It's like 10 to 3 in the afternoon. That's a long day for us. I will say, if you live near Bolton and you're looking for a cushy job where 10 to 3 in the afternoon is considered like a long, stressful, hard day, and you get to go to Liverpool Football Club, and we don't want to kill the baby, that would be a bad thing. And yeah, if you're looking for a job, send a CV in. I would definitely recommend it. Oh, and they're also looking for a mechanic as well. Who can do mechanical things with trucks. I'll be honest with you, I have got a list of things that I said to my boss I would say, but I forgot them. Go on, my little friend. Tell you what I'll do is I will put the information in the description, and you can go and have a look down there. So if you know a mechanic near Bolton and they can fix trucks, look in the description. Honestly, boss, I nailed that. And hopefully I'll be back on track with vlogging. The reason why there's not many vlogs is, and I'm going to pick it up very, very carefully, this thing, my audio recorder, put it down very gently. There is a clip broken on it and it keeps just turning off. I looked into it and the clip is like £2, but it's on eBay, and I'd have to go onto eBay. I can't remember what my password is. I've got it on my password manager, but that was just effort. If I'm honest with you, laziness is the reason why. Although I have recorded 3 vlogs and binned 3 vlogs. Yeah, I need to buy that little part so I don't have to pick it up that gingerly. If you would like a t-shirt or some of the merchandise, like the Salmon Slap t-shirt that I'm currently wearing, but you can't see because I'm wearing my orange traffic cone uniform over the top of it. But there is merchandise under here, and it's really nice. It's really good quality. Can't see it, but honestly, it's really good quality. But if you would like some, go to salmonslap.com. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yep, that's not. Did I just nail that first time? Nice. And if you want to see more of me, you can go and check out the podcast, which is now on YouTube. And I talk, honestly, as much shite as I do on there as I do on here. In fact, no, more. Definitely more. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you next time.